Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can code apps solo. So I'm lucky enough to be able to go to a university where I study coding, but for any one of you who can't do that or doesn't have the same opportunity for me, I think studying coding will be very easy in this day and age with the help of ChatGPT and other AIs. If you're looking for recommendations on who to learn from when you want to learn code and how to make apps, I do recommend one YouTube channel called Pro Code. He is the one who has helped me a lot when I first started coding. So this is the channel. It's called Pro Code. If you do want to learn from him, you can learn from him here. But I'm going to show you a way to learn dynamically with ChatGPT. So for ChatGPT, for example, I want to learn how to code an app in HTML, right? So help me code an app in HTML. So for example, I want to code a calculator, right? Calculator. So something like this. Now, once in here, you can see it'll give us a prompt here. It'll have a calculator up here and it'll open up a code paste like this, right? Now, from the code paste here, you can see it's generating our code here. Now, let's just wait for it to finish. Now, you can see it has finished generating like this, right? So, for example, if I copy this code and I plug it in on my Visual Studio Code here, I'm just going to make a new file called index.html. And then I'm going to create file here. And then I paste this in. And then I go to live server to demonstrate if this code really works or not. Let's see if this works. Now, once it's open, you'll see this is what the app looked like. It's pretty intuitive, 12 plus 4, for example, and then I give it an equal, and then there you go. We have a calculator app just like that. It wasn't even a minute, it wasn't even 30 seconds. It's as fast as that if you want to make a new app with ChatGPT. Now, you can see that this is really, really scalable, right? You can make almost anything with the help of ChatGPT. I do have a college project here, for example. I have a college project here where I made my own calculator with Java. And you can see this is what it looks like, right? And it's pretty simple, but this took me a really long while to make it, right? But you can see, but if it's with ChatGPT, it's super fast, right? You just make a website and then you can also make an app with any language as fast as that with the snap of a finger. So if you enjoyed that video, please do consider liking and subscribing.